Hello, and thanks for taking time to watch this video. First of all, I hope that you and your families and teams are safe and healthy during this unprecedented time. And I also want to thank you for your continued business. You and your teams are very important to us. And also rest assured that the Ford Fleet team and Ford senior management is monitoring this fluid situation on a daily basis, making plans and contingencies both for today and tomorrow. Now more than ever, it's time for us to pull together as a company and as a country to help us get through this time safe and in a positive manner. When this crisis began, Ford quickly implemented a number of measures to protect the well-being of our people and keep the country moving as best we can. We temporarily suspended production in our North American manufacturing plants. We kept the parts distribution centers open, focusing on emergency services. And Ford Credit offered relief to qualified customers affected by the outbreak through a Built to Lend a Hand program. We restricted business travel for all employees, quickly moved to a work-from-home directive, and canceled all in-person employee and customer meetings. And sadly enough, that did include the fleet preview, where we get to spend great time with our customers. That said, I'm especially proud of our efforts to help support the men and women on the front lines of this pandemic. On March 19th, Ford was alerted that there was a shortage of personal protection equipment for first responders. Ford reacted quickly to address the problem, and within 2.5 weeks, we were able to produce and deliver more than 1 million face shields. And those efforts continue to this day, supplying millions of needed PPEs to those most in need. Working with GE Healthcare and others, Ford is projecting to produce 50,000 ventilators by midsummer and is capable of producing up to 30,000 additional units per month thereafter. We are leading the efforts to manufacture reusable gowns with airbag supplier Joyson Safety Systems. This Go Fast project has created reusable gowns manufactured from material normally used to make airbags. We are also working to help create mobile testing services. Launched on April 13th, Ford is providing vehicles, drivers, and personal protection equipment to help make testing convenient and available. These and other efforts remind us that by coming together, we will get through this. This is a unique time in our lives, and while no one has a clear idea of the impact on our businesses, now more than ever, it's time to support each other, make sure we stay healthy, and put the emphasis on our customers. It's also a time to be very appreciative for all the first responders and people on the front line. We will get through this together. And with that, I'd like to introduce John Ruppert, who's going to take you through the state of the fleet business, as well as take you through the priorities for 2020.
I want to start by thanking you for your business. We work hard every day to earn it. We appreciate it. We don't take it for granted. Today, I want to take a quick look back at 2019, but more importantly, look forward to 2020 and all the things that are coming your way. 2019 was truly a great year for Ford, working together with our customers. We celebrated 35 years of America's best-selling commercial vehicle lineup. F-Series was America's best-selling truck again, along with the Transit commercial van, which was America's best-selling van. These claims both over 40 years in length. When it comes to commercial vehicles, we own work. Ford owns work. We outsell our closest competitor by more than 2 to 1. More construction, emergency vehicles, utility services, and many other vocations choose Ford trucks and vans more than any other brand. While 2019 was a successful year, I can assure you that we are committed to working together to make 2020 and beyond even better. Our product strategy has 3 foundational elements that are driving our investments in commercial vehicles. a winning portfolio of trucks and vans, new propulsion systems with a particular emphasis on electrified vehicles. The Transit that we launched at NTEA in March is a perfect example of that, the Transit battery electric. And a whole host of connected services that are going to be offered by our Ford Commercial Solutions. In the next few years, we plan to introduce more SUVs, pickups, commercial vehicles, and off-road and performance vehicles. Our priorities for 2020 remain to support the men and women who make this country work. Doing this safely, helping others until the crisis is fully behind us. This year, you will see exciting new products like the all-new F-150, the 2021 model, the 2021 Hybrid Escape, which is designed uniquely for our fleet customers, and the long-awaited Bronco, which we're all excited about. We have a lot of new initiatives, like I mentioned, Ford Commercial Solutions, and a whole portfolio of connected services that are coming to market. We're working really hard to strengthen the commercial vehicle center dealer network, which is aimed right at the business that you work in. We're launching a mobile service network, and believe me, mobile services and mobile technologies during this pandemic have become more and more important. We've got continued investments in electrification, $11.5 billion over a 5-year period, much of that to support the commercial vehicles. So in closing, I want to again thank you for your business and thank you for your loyalty to Ford. These are unprecedented times, but by working together, we will get through it. We're so excited about the products and services that we have to offer as we go forward over the next couple of years. And again, all the best to you and your families through the balance of 2020. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll be in touch with you soon. Thank you very much.